Okay, so we might even just come around here and do something again that's not so, we've already worked this a little bit, but it's not as bad as that little, we know we've got a little charge spot there that we got to come back to. So now we're going to come back to that. We'll take a deep breath. Shift any energy that's trapped in me because I know it's going to come flying everywhere.
Sorry.
That's all right. It's kind of fun. So I think having a bit of ADHD and being able to work in a mess, like it's like fucking energy flying, you know, I can still keep working. So I'm just trying to move, get the, like it's so congested in there.
You can feel that in there.
Oh, fuck yeah. Yeah.
That's exactly that what I can feel in me now.
Yeah.
I don't know what you're feeling, but that's what I was feeling as I was doing your foot yesterday, your toe.
Yeah.
So it's cool that like I can feel the same.
Yeah, you've got good empathy.
Yeah, that's cool. It hurts like a mofo.
Yeah. So now I'm coming in, like there's this area, basically so far I'm focused on between here and here. And I'm just gonna sort of come in and then I'll join the dots and then I'll move it like this. And then project energy into that spot and let you have a little breath. And then come back to here. And then start to make it, send some sort of vibrations to push it through. And we made a little bit of progress here, a couple of mils. We're down here now.
Holy!
And so much was trapped. That's why it's all going everywhere. Be interesting if you did like Kirlian photography or something where, you know, like of what's going on, and then it would be like so much going on. But it is like electricity because you can't see electricity. You can't see gas, you know?
Or energies or anything.
No.
No, that's right. Yeah.
But it's still there. Electricity is very powerful.
It's like I can feel it. It feels like it's jammed. Right?
Yeah.
That feels sore now.
Yeah, I haven't even touched there.
No, I know. I can feel it though.
Yeah. I mean, that palm looks like it's just been jammed for a long time. So then we're going not so deep, just to kind of like join now between here. We're creating a joining movement, an opening now. Some of that congestion is broken. So we're going to see if we can, that whole channel can open up or not. But the surface one was good, so now I'm just going to go in quite a lot. Now I'm going in quite deep to get that last bit out. I'm letting her breathe. Oh! And coming in deep. And that's good. It's cleared at that level of depth. So now we're going into a little bit of movement between. And so the thing is with this is that you can't really do this by just going through the motions. You have to sense what you're doing.
Yeah, it's that electric.
Yeah, it's like electric. So some of it comes in to my tool, into my hands. I have to shake that off. She has to shake it off.
You do have to shake it.
Yeah. But the good thing is, see, once we've done this excavation work on you and got rid of 48 years worth of tension, if you come back for maintenance, it's going to be so easy. None of this.
If I lived here, I would.
Yeah.
I've got to find someone in Mackay.
Well, at least you're coming back to the course in March. That's going to be
good.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
And for some people that live far away, I often recommend just come down and get a bunch of treatments. You know, you don't have to come in and get a 2-hour treatment. And then when I'm here, come in and get it day after day, you know?
Yeah.
And make it worth your while. So now we're going in closer to that joint. It's still charged in between here and here, so I'm like, oh yeah, and you can feel like right in there. But before I get there, I want to make sure this is all better now. Look at how much better it is. It's still little bits, but it's not got that chunkiness that it had, you know, until we get to here, and then it's like charged again. So we've come down, and now I'm like, again. Into that joint. And it's like there. Just letting her breathe into that. This. I'm grateful to Steve for getting me onto these more precise ones. I tell you, they're so much more effective. So I'm just giving her a little rest on that area and just coming back, and I'm just going to flush anything that I can feel. Is there anything holding in the top of the thumb? It's not too bad. Maybe in there a little bit. And I'm going to, again, turn her hand here. We're going to come back into this area here is like hugely congested, but it should start to shift. Oops. Pushing me off here.
That's so trippy.
Mm-hmm. And so you can see how this would prevent arthritis. But like I said, if somebody had already developed arthritis, you'd be just like going like that, and they'd be like, "Ow!"
Absolutely.
And it'd just take a long time, you know.
Yeah.
So, but this is going to help prevent arthritis.
Yeah.
Because you're doing quite well, you know. So I'm flushing the whole top of it, just again sensing, is there anything still holding? Obviously, I know there's stuff in here that I want to keep coming back to, and right in there now. But it's actually starting to move now. All this whole, and now I can cross the joint.
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm. Just like also.
Yeah, I can feel that.
Yeah,
That's
it's charged.
like a shock.
Yep.
Yeah, like electric current going straight. So
Straight through.
I can feel it going straight down my thumb and
Yep.
then go straight up the other side of the other finger.
How interesting.
Yeah. And my body's feeling jittery.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm feeling jittery all like through here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it would have been, you know, probably quite a, you know, with all your operation and, you know, almost breaking this, a lot of emotional stuff could be like usually to me, I usually see like 90% of the time emotion is related more to the feet, but I definitely see 10% of it coming from the hands as well. And when you got some sort of injury and you got some worries, but geez, it's letting go now. Look at the difference.
I can feel it. Like
Yeah.
it just
getting uncharged.
it could just be
and
numb,
soft.
but yeah.
Yeah. No, it's not. It's like you'll feel
That
it.
I can still feel that. Yeah, that's quite.
Yeah, there's something going on right
Yeah.
here. That's where we gotta.
And that sends it straight up.
Yeah, this is where the blockage is now.
Oh, and that goes to the other finger.
Yeah, that's working your maximum. But now I'm going to cross the joint and start to head up. And it gets quicker and easier as I cross, if I've done a good job. But there's still stuff going on right in here. I'm going quite light, but and then I'm going to find that spot there that's holding.
Yes.
Yeah, needs that. You're doing so well. Like this would have been unbearably. I'm gonna come here. I just wanna.
You know when your legs or whatever's been asleep, and you know when it wakes up,
Yeah.
and you know how because it's numb, and then you get that horrible electric shock feeling that every time you move it, that's what that feels like.
Interesting.
That's how I can describe it. Because you know how you don't want to move it, but you got to move it, and it just hurts so much. And,
Yeah. So what I want to do now is follow this band and get the back of your thumb nice and loose too. So we'll see how that's going. Still a bit of a charge here because we're just one spot down from the tip.
Holy. It's to the, you know what, and that's
It's still
going
charged, this
to
one.
the other finger, but up under to the underneath of the finger.
Interesting,
It goes
and we're
right
only
up to
underneath of the
there.
thumb, yeah.
It goes right up to the tip of the other finger.
Interesting.
That is so weird.
So I've come down, you can see I've come down a few millimeters. Easing off. She pulls back.
Yeah, it goes straight through the other side of the thumb.
Yeah. So when I'm doing this, like I said, I'll do it lighter than when I'm holding a deeper spot, just to kind of open like if we have certain layers of blockage going into these channels, then moving it across is more on the top when it breaks that up. But I might have broken it up. It's kind of like with really hard dirt. You kind of got to break some holes in it to be able to break it up a little bit more. So this kind of breaks it up, and then you got, put some, and then some water can actually flow into really hard dirt or something, And I can also feel, okay, what's still holding, but we got it right in there. And I'm just kind of going around everywhere on this side because I haven't felt as much on this side of the thumb, and just seeing is there any other micro bands that are holding, like diagonal ones through here? Something going on in here.
Crazy to think one little bit can
Just
just.
a little bit there. Yeah, oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. And how it can cause so much pain. And I didn't even know that I had the pain there.
Yeah. So we're coming back to that spot because it's still something going on. I gave her a little rest, but it's still, I cleared a lot of it, but it's not completely done. But that's looking a lot better. Oh, some creaky. Yeah, it's letting go down below. Feel that.
Yeah. Yes, I can.
Yeah. Let me get a broader one of those. Oh, here. Sorry. Because as we come down, I like to use a little bit broader. I want to come into here because this is my next area. So if we cross that joint, we come right into here, and you can feel how tight that is there.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
It's nice how agreeable people are when they're on the massage table, It's like...
Yes, I can feel
yes,
that.
yes.
Yes.
You can feel it, yeah.
Yes, that does not tickle.
Yeah.
That is not pleasant.
So I could stretch stretch here and then kind of come in like this. Or I could use even a broader tool if that's a bit too pokey by this stage, and I can get right into there now. And I can see she's tightening up against me, so I want to go just that little bit before she's going to tighten up. And this is really tight in here.
Yeah.
But hopefully it's going to release because I've done this, and if it's not going to release, then I come back. I must have missed somewhere. That's it, big breath. Oh. Oh, it went.
You did it. You know that hasn't cracked for like a billion years.
Yeah. Oh, I know that. That was a lot of work to get that thing done, you know. We did a great job together.
God.
Teamwork makes the dream work, as some fucking idiot said. Yeah.
Like I can actually like feel that now. Like,
Yeah.
holy. I do feel real jittery the whole way though.
Yeah, just keep breathing that energy out. It's like a dam that's been released of weird energy shit, you know? And now it's flowing through your body, you know?
Yeah, like I feel like the giggles are coming.
Yeah, that's fine. And if you want to cry, it can be, you know what I mean? Like, whatever's there, just let it out. Oh, that was huge. So I feel really happy because...
And I got tears coming. So
Yeah, good. I was going to say, under the giggles, it'll be tears.